Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we ended up launching our first side project, Weekend Jamming. So basically, if you love building side projects, so do check it out. Weekend Jamming is a platform where developers and techies can have fun in their weekends by building just what they want. No themes, no old shitty hackathon grudges, just pure exploration. Look inside your brain, get out with your craziest ideas, and build your dream project on swags and rewards. Wait. What if you are scared of collaborating with people? Introvert stuff, you see. No worries. Here, no one will judge you. Who the hell are you? Just kidding. Just come along with your team, your girlfriend or girlfriends if you have so. And if you have an infinite or a come solo, build, talk to the communities and the developers and see where do you stand. And obviously, you want to listen your favorite music while coding. No worries, you are not going anywhere. Listen to your favorite music synchronized with your team or solo inside the platform itself. So, where do you exactly build your product? No worries, we have a play deck where you can design and code your craziest ideas, code with your friend together or solo at the same time. Store it, make it live, share to the room, and the best and the most craziest idea will win the week master title. Obviously, with some perks. Don't worry, we have some swags for everyone. And what if you are not comfortable while showcasing the project you have made with the real ones? No worries. Again, we got you. We have AI rooms where there is nothing real except you. But if you are real, AI will listen you, will use your project and give you reviews. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how we came up with the idea and how we plan the whole execution and how we are now live. So guys, this is basically the whole brainstorming and the whole idea about weekend jamming. So weekend jamming basically is a platform for side projects, platform where you can code together, jam together. It is basically a virtual co-working space. We are obviously building in public. So in weekend jamming in the platform itself, we will going to have public and private jamming rooms. You will get exposure to your side projects in public. So this is, yeah, this is the whole idea about what weekend jamming is look like. So these are a few more things we have kept in our mind while building weekend jamming. So first of all, we want to make the platform very simple and very appealing to the users, because basically the users are already tired in their weekdays. So we want something that will relax on a longer note to the users. So we have included music player along in the platform itself. So you do not have to go anywhere to watch your favorite movies and music together with your friends and all while coding. So and also the we have kept in our mind to make the whole narrative do not shift to weekdays. So we specifically are approaching weekends, that like just come here in your weekend and join the private and public rooms and just purely build what you want, what you dream, what you cannot build in your weekdays, in your jobs, in your colleges. So these are a few things we have kept in our mind while building weekend jamming. So let's see how it goes on. So guys, make sure to check out weekendjamming.com. Obviously, the website, the platform is not completely ready, but it will going to be live very soon. So just check out what we are building.